Hey there, I am Max, and first of all, I really appreciate you tuning in for this product review. Now, before I get right into the review, I want to talk about the 4 amazing bonuses that you will get if you decide to grab this product through the link down below in the description. Bonus number 1 is Done For You Social, which is all about traffic generation through social media, and the best part here is that we have actually done all the work for you. So we give you all the content ready to post, ready to go, and you just really need to sit down, click that upload button, and you will be ready to go on social media. Bonus number 2 is yet another award-winning program called AI Prodigy, in which we teach you how you can generate laser-targeted traffic by having artificial intelligence run a highly profitable YouTube channel for you. This is completely hands-off, and you will get full access if you buy through the link down below in the description. With our bonus number 3, Cash Prodigy, we show you multiple ways of how you can make money online simply using artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is huge and it's transforming people's lives, and with this product you will be able to crush it online. Last but not least, with bonus number 4, I will give you full access to Fiverr Rocket, which is an award-winning product that teaches you how to build your next online income stream by selling high in-demand services to clients without you having to have any skills yourself. These 4 products are everything you need to build a successful, sustainable online business and make a lot of money online. And these products are separately valued at hundreds of dollars each, and they're still making daily sales. And if you grab access to this program using the link down below in the description, then I will give you access to all these products on top of your purchase, and they will all be delivered conveniently inside of either your Warrior Plus, JV Zoo or ClickBank account. I also want to extend on an exclusive offer. If you want to elevate your online income, I have an exclusive membership opportunity for you. If you want to make it to $10,000 a month with the help and guidance of 3 super affiliates, then there is going to be yet another link down below in the description that gives you access to a free live training session with us. Now make sure not to forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into the review.
The old radio hums on the windowsill, a whisper of days we can't refill.
Static crackles where words used to be, like the space between you and me.
I reach for the dial, but it won't tune clear.
Just a ghost of a voice
lost in the static, fading away. Words we don't say keep slipping astray. The signal's weak, but my heart's still strong, trying to find where we went wrong.
The headlights flicker on a gravel road. Each mile feels heavier, a heavier